Hey, welcome. It's Tony talking CarBiz. Today we're going to take a quick look at this brand new 2020 Toyota Prius XLE edition. SuperSonic Red is the color. $425 extra for this awesome color, which you really need to see in person. So let's go ahead and dive in and see what we can find. Okay, so in the trunk on the XLE trim, it does come with the vinyl cargo cover, which is retractable. And that's also removable, and you don't need tools to do it. Just grab a hold of one side or the other. It's spring loaded, and you can slide it out just like that. And then you can go ahead and set it down. Personally, I don't even use it. It's stored in my garage. But it is a nice way to cover up your cargo if you think you need to do that. Now you'll notice the seats are folded down. I've got 40% folded down right here. And to fold down this side, you can do it from back here. It's a little bit of a reach. It's probably easier to do from the passenger door. But if you drop it in like so, you'll see that there is a huge amount of space back here. People are continually surprised by how much room is in the back of a Prius. Over on this side, we do have a cargo light. This one has the all-season floor mat package, so that's what this plastic liner is here. And then your spare tire is down underneath. There are tie-down hooks here, 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 and across the back here. It is kind of a felt lined trunk, and there are no power outlets in the trunk like you see on some of the other cars. Okay, diving into the back seat, on the doors there are bottled water holders down there, of course power windows, and we do have the chrome door handle. The back seats are not heated like the front seats are. Again, the soft tech fabric. There's pockets on the backs of both front seats, and there's power ports to plug in your smartphone and such right there. The back seats do have this folding armrest with cup holders, and of course there are 3 seat belts. And then the back seats do fold down, but before I do that, I'm just going to jump in and show you the leg room. Now that front seat is all the way back right now. So that's going to be your 6-footer plus. And then I'm 5'7". So this is the leg room that I get as a shorter person. Plenty of leg room for me. So you'd need an absolutely tall person to not fit in the back seat driving the car. There's a good look at your front compartment from the back seat. Go ahead and jump out. I want to show you how these seats fold down. So the thing I like about the seats is they're easy to fold down from here. They're not easy to fold down from the trunk. The thing I don't like about the seats is when the driver's seat's all the way back, it won't fold down without giving it a little bit of pressure, but it's not too bad. And the back of the seat is felt lined, so you can put stuff on top there, and hopefully it won't slide around. Okay, diving into the driver's compartment, we'll start here on the door. You'll notice we have a chrome door handle, power windows, power door locks, power mirrors, and we've got a metallic piano black applique right here, and there's a place down here for your water bottles and a speaker on the door. Down on the lower part of the dash, most of the switches in the Prius are on-off switches. So let's begin here. This is your dimmer switch for your dash lights. This is your on-off for your pedestrian detection, on-off for your traction control, on-off for your heads-up display, which is an added charge on this one, and then finally on-off for your automatic bright headlights. Gas doors down here, hood releases here, parking brake is there, gas or brake and gas pedals where they should be. Take a look at the driver's seat. The driver's seat is full power. The passenger seat is not. So you've got a power recliner, forward, backwards, up and down, and a two-way lumbar support for the driver's seat. Quick look at the seats themselves. So these are a soft tech fabric seat. They have the look and feel of leather. They are very durable, they're very comfortable. And then this one does have heated seats on front driver, front passenger. Headrest is adjustable up and down. And we do have an adjustable height seat belts as well. Let's go ahead and jump into the driver's seat and see what we can find. Okay, so here in the driver's seat, the steering wheel, one of the things I like about it is it's smaller in diameter. So it really feels good in the hand. It is a leather wrap steering wheel. It's padded and it has the thumb rest on here. So it gives a nice sporty feel when you're sitting behind the wheel. The switches on the left and right and down here all have the piano black applique. It looks really upscale on this vehicle with the chrome Toyota badging in the center. The left-hand side are controls for your sound system and your Bluetooth connectivity for your smartphone. And then on the right side, we've got controls for your information center. There's a 4.2-inch information center we'll take a look at up here. And then we also have the control for turning off your heated steering wheel, which is part of an upgraded package on the XLE. And then these are on-off switches for lane departure and pedestrian detection. And then we have cruise control down here on the stalk. On the right hand side are your wiper controls. Rear wiper as well is controlled right here. And then over here are your headlight controls as well. So let's go ahead and just fire this up and see what it looks like as it comes alive. So we do have push button start because we have the smart key system. So all we have to do is make sure we put our foot on the brake, hit the button, and it starts to wake up. So that's how the Prius says good morning to you. Now, up on the top here, the upper tier is where we're going to find our speedometer. All of our information is up on the top as well for our hybrid system. Right now I've got the doors open so you can see it's showing that 2 passenger doors, the trunk and the driver's door are all open. There's your gear selector. There's a digital clock. And if you look up there, you see those people sitting in the seats. It's telling me right now that the 3 folks in the back seat do not have their seatbelt on, as well as the front seat. And then there's some other lights that are on because the vehicle hasn't been actually started up yet. Coming down to the center stack, there's vents right here. Your hazards are here. And again, the piano black trim looks really nice on this, guys. I encourage you to stop by and take a look. Our hybrid system, our battery system, we've got our menus, audio controls. So I'm not going to spend a bunch of time on this, but know that you have the full Toyota app suite. It's all built into the center stack, can be controlled here, and also you can control it over on the steering wheel. Moving down the center stack is where we find the heating and air conditioning controls. It is automatic temperature control, and we do have front window defrost, rear window defrost, and heated outside mirrors, standard on the XLE trim. Down below is where you find your shifter, typical hybrid blue, your different drive modes for your fuel economy. So right now I'm in the sport mode, and I know that because up here, see the odometer there, the big red zero there, white zero on red. So red means sport. If I flip it, blue is normal, and then this, or I'm sorry, blue is hybrid, and then this lighter blue is normal. So sport, power mode, eco mode. I got that backwards, I apologize. So power mode, eco mode, normal mode. Coming back down to the center stack, we've got a As part of the upgraded package on this one, we've got the QI wireless charging, so you can just drop your phone right there. You don't have to plug it in. Here's where those heated seat controls are for front driver, front passenger. And then down on the lower section here, we've got, again, more of the piano black finish. Looks really, really nice. I got to tell you, stop by and take a look. I think you'll agree. Dual cup holders right here, and then we've got our center armrest. It's smaller, it's longer, and it is stationary, so it doesn't slide back and forth. And if I go ahead and open it up, you'll see it opens toward the passenger seat, which makes sense. There's a small storage tray right here, and you can see it's pretty darn deep. There's no plugs in here like we see on some of the other Toyotas for plugging in your gadgets. The QR wireless charging system does that. There's your glove box, and the owner's manuals are there, as well as I've got them laid out over on the seat here. So as a new car, you'll get that. With used cars, you don't always get that, the owner's books. And you can see the style of the dashboard. It kind of wraps down. It's a pretty nice looking driver's compartment. So there's a quick look of the dash from the driver's perspective. Moving up to your headliner, beginning with your mirror, we do have an automatic dimming mirror, and it does have home link, so you can program your garage door openers right there. These are your overhead light switches. Power moonroof controls. So this one has the premium package, which includes the power moonroof and the 15-inch alloy wheels we looked at outside. And then as part of the Safety Sense 2.0, we do have Safety Connect, and that's that switch right there. Your visors do have lighted vanity mirrors, and then they do come out to the side with the extenders. So that's up front. Okay, let's dive under the hood of the Prius. Now this is a rock solid 4-cylinder hybrid engine. It's a 1.8 liter engine, and with the hybrid system produces 121 net horsepower, which doesn't sound like a lot, but it's a very lightweight car, and those electric motors, when you put it in the power mode, really get up and go. In fact, I have one, and it's been known to spin the tire a time or two. Now the hybrid system on here, the Synergy Hybrid, been around a long time, 20 years or so, and it's so good that just this year Toyota upped the warranty on the battery to 10 years, 150,000 miles. So a great vehicle, great power plant, 16 valve gasoline engine, and then an electric motor works together to get you well over 50 miles per gallon. Now the engine itself is covered under a 5-year, 60,000 mile powertrain warranty, has a CVT transmission, and it does include Toyota Care. So all of your maintenance is going to be covered for 2 years or 25,000 miles. And then all of the Toyota warranties have a 0 deductible. So if it's under warranty, if it's under Toyota Care, it's not going to cost you a dime. So there's a quick overview of this brand new 2020 Toyota Prius XLE edition, available at Smart Toyota in Madison, Wisconsin. SuperSonic Red is the color. It's an extra charge color, $425. Hey, if you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button. If you want more like this, that is more videos like this, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. And then finally, if there's something you'd like to know more about this vehicle, maybe you want a more detailed presentation on the battery, for example, go ahead and let me know in the comments. I'd be happy to do that for you. Once again, this is Tony talking CarBiz. Thanks for watching.